everybody to play with high-speed train unboxing.
Unboxing. What? What is this? Is a
High-speed
auto run express train. Battery operated.
Okay, she operated.
Okay, you unboxing. More unboxing.
Ah.
Wow. Yeah.
There's a train engine.
There is 3 trains. And there is also, what it is? Oh, there is a track. And there's also a trees here.
Yeah. And then the cabbages.
Yes, the carriages.
Okay. The track. More tracks. Oh, what's that? It's for the tree stop. Where I stick it?
Okay.
I'll collect the high-speed train.
You make the track first, Omar.
I made the. Hey, how to couple this?
Yeah. Really so fast.
Oh,
You like it, Omar? Yeah. Pee 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 pee. Chaga 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 chaga. Chaga 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 chaga. You like it, Omar? You like the train? The train moving so fast. Ah, it's stuck. Stuck. Fix it, Omar. Fix it. Oh, there is another train. Another train is coming. It's a dinosaur puzzle. Yay! The old train also can move on this track. See? Wow! He pull the speed trains. He pull the speed train. Wow!
That's amazing.
Now it's old train versus speed train. But the old trains cannot move properly because this is not the track for the old train, Omar.
Oh!
What is it? I don't need this one. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just play this one only, Omar.
I want to play that.
No. I want to see this one. The dinosaur here. Yay, dinosaur is there. And the speed train no need track. He can also move. The old train stuck there. Yeah. Wow. He can. The speed train cross the old train. Wow, it's that really express train. So that's why the train's called express train, because he can move very fast. Right, Omar? Which one you like, the old train or the speed train? Which one you like?
High-speed train.
High speed train. You like it?
Yeah. They can select this track,
Okay, you make it a tracker.
but I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, later. Bye, Mar.
Bye.
Enjoy your toy. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and more and next year and next time on video.
What are you talking about?